Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you and your loved ones are having a beautiful day full of lots of good food and good company. We are heading out to Ritz-Carlton for their annual Thanksgiving buffet, if you can call it that, brunch buffet. It's basically a very elaborate all-you-can-eat kind of buffet. It's mostly a trip around the world. If you can think of a cuisine, they're going to have it there. Everything from caviar to a raw bar to pasta station, rice station, traditional Thanksgiving food, Indian, Japanese food, anything that you can think of, they have it there. An entire room full of sweets and desserts as well. And we had a blast last year and we're looking forward to it this year. Showing you my outfit real quick because we need to get out the door. But I have my Cause earrings on. These are those Bottega dupes I'm obsessed with, wear them constantly. The top is old from the summertime from Banana Republic factory. Today is like 80 degrees or something. So it is definitely warranting something on the cooler side. The skirt is the faux leather skirt from Mango, and I hope I don't overheat in this because this kind of weather is just not very friendly to leather and faux leather. And the shoes are these gold heels from Steve Madden, which you've seen so many times as well. This is Ana Luisa, and this is from Dubai. Watch is Swatch. Purse is old from H&M. Gorgeous little find I had a couple of years ago, and I love it as kind of like a little evening bag, although this is not an evening event. Heading out right now. I'll try to film some of the brunch, but I don't want to be intrusive, so I'll give it my best shot. But if I feel I am getting in people's way, then I won't do it. Okay, see you later. Getting my haircut, and boy does it need it. I have not gotten a haircut since last December, not a proper haircut. I've been getting a few trims here and there, and I'm dying for one. I hope that she can work magic on this. I really think I probably need to go up to my collarbone because it is just really, really fried. I love my hair. It's beautiful. I'm so happy. She did not need to take nearly off what I thought she would. I thought I'd be coming out of there with a chin length bob due to all the damage, but she said it was not as bad as I thought. It just really needed some cleaning up on the ends, which she did, and then she goes through and texturizes it and gives it a little bit of depth and texture, and I always love that. She's very, very talented. So I will continue to take good care of it, baby it, and nurse it back to health. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and it is time for a reset. I've been trying to do a little fall reset all month long, and we're finally coming up to the end of the month, and I have not done it yet. I've been meaning to do a deep clean on the house. We just got our Christmas decorations out, and we are going to be putting up the tree today. I also want to do a closet clean out because I have a lot of things that have accumulated in my closet that I'm just not reaching for anymore. It is completely unorganized, and I really need to go through it, clean it out, sort it out, and maybe get a couple of things up online to sell them so that I can make room for more things in 2024. I've just come out of the supermarket, grabbed a couple of things for dinner tonight. We are craving sweet potato fries. We just bought a new air fryer, and I'm very excited about trying it. I also returned my Louboutin boots to UPS to send them back to Christian Louboutin. Unfortunately, they did not work out for me as much as I loved them. I felt like they just weren't really me. They just felt a little too classic and a little boring, I might say. I don't know. I just couldn't quite put my finger on it. Maybe it was the price tag, and I just really could not justify keeping them for that amount of money and knowing that I may not reach for them. I just was not absolutely head over heels, drop dead in love with them, and for that reason I had to send them back. I do have a little feeling that my husband is going to get me a pump from Louboutin for Christmas, and that is probably something I am more inclined to wear. So if he were to get me that, I'd probably really be happy about it. But I'm glad that I'm sending the boots back because I would have really regretted it. My sister is visiting next week for a few days. She's coming in from New York, and I have not seen her since December of last year, so I miss her very much. This is my twin sister. She's going to be seeing our apartment for the first time. It has been probably about 4 or 5 years since, no, it's been probably about six years since she's been out here last. Nobody ever visits us. We've gotten used to it by now. We're here for 20 years this year, and I think I can count on one hand how many times we have had visitors. It's the way it is. What can you do? Anyway, need to clean the house, organize, make it ready for her to come visit, and I'm very excited. So let's start the day. My makeup table needs some serious cleaning and organizing. I need to get rid of some older items and just reorganize this section.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop.
Okay, I've gone ahead and emptied out my containers because they need a nice good washing. This basket here is basically my skincare and morning routine, evening routine kind of stuff. My glycolic acid, a little bit of toner. This is the alpha hydroxy body lotion I love to use. Little indulgent night cream. Rosemary castor oil. I usually put this on my eyelashes to help them grow. Not sure how well it's working. My hyaluronic acid, lactic acid, sunscreen, although I don't recommend this unseen sunscreen. It is not my favorite. I'm just trying to get through 2 boxes that I bought, but I'm really not happy with that. I really prefer the Ulta MD.
If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
2 hours later, I finally finished organizing. I have the plastic organizing trays drying by the sink, and my brushes are also being washed. I have all the items here organized by category so I can easily put them back when I have those dried up. This took a lot of scrubbing. I had a lot of makeup stains. This is as good as I can get it for now. Could not get rid of that. Underneath looks much better too. This is a lot of false lashes, and you see a bunch of boxes of Latisse. I bought a year's worth because it was like on a special subscription. I'm almost done through 1 box, and I have 3 more to go. Not quite seeing the results I'd like to see yet, but I know it does take time. Here's my current body. I use this every day. I just kind of put it away to clean up a little bit, but I do use this every day, almost every day, 5 days a week maybe. In here I have a lot of nail stuff, like little nail stickers. On to the next thing. But first up, it's time for lunch. I'm going to make a quick yogurt bowl with some fresh berries and a little bit of almond butter. I'm also going to be adding this for the first time. This is called Holy Mane, and this is from Dr. Will Cole. I heard him on a podcast, The Skinny Confidential, talking about this product that he has developed to help hair, skin, and nails. I'm struggling with some damaged hair right now, and I want to be able to strengthen it from within. The ingredients on this are wild-caught, non-GMO kosher fish, so I guess it's pescatarian. It says enhance your natural allure with holy mane for flourishing hair, radiant skin, and resilient nails. This odorless and nearly tasteless blend is abundant in over 80 trace minerals, including silica, magnesium, calcium, and potassium that support optimal hair, skin, and nail health. Made from 2 ingredients, this blends easily in water, tea, coffee, smoothies, recipes, or any hot or cold liquid. This exclusive formula is easily absorbed. It's a white powder. Unfortunately, it didn't come with its own scoop, so I'm borrowing my husband's scoop from AG1, which he uses every day. We'll mix this up. Okay, it's been mixed in. I've added my berries, so let's see how this tastes. I'm embarrassed that I'm showing you this, but this is just my reality. When I film a video, I just tend to then throw everything back into the closet, and this is the aftermath. It is an absolute mess. My shoes are everywhere. It's a very small walk-in closet, and I don't have a lot of space, but it seriously needs to be reorganized and cleaned up. This whole rack is clothing that I barely reach for. I'm really hoping I can put these up on Poshmark, get them sold to make room for more. This is such an awkwardly built closet. It's absolutely terrible. Shoes are back here. Again, I need to get rid of a lot of these shoe booties. I do not wear them anymore. These are a couple of tops that just don't fit my aesthetic anymore. This is a very romantic, ruffly top, which is really just not my thing anymore. This is a beautiful piece from Cezanne, but I'm just not into this crochet anymore. I don't think I'll be reaching for this. This top is a little too romantic and frou-frou for me. This one too is from Cezanne. It's really gorgeous. Another crochet piece. I loved this from Cezanne, but I'm just not reaching for these bold floral patterns anymore. The big balloon sleeves and just this kind of motif here, just not my style. Just kind of gotten away from this very extra romantic, feminine, vintage, like this very vintage romantic vibe. As for the rest of this closet, it does need some more purging. Like this is a bodysuit from Zara I just don't reach for. Another bodysuit from Zara. One of those Zara bodysuits that everyone swears by, but I don't swear by it. I don't think it's a good one whatsoever. Again, very vintage vibes here with simple retro. Okay, the closet is coming along. I've sorted out my shoes. Sort of. And I have here a box of shoes that I plan to sell or donate. I have some clunky loafers, ankle booties, more ankle booties. It's this rounded toe that I'm just not into. These are a little too Western for me. These big Western boots that I bought in the springtime, I think I've worn them once. I'm just not feeling this vibe right now, but I do want to hang on to these at least because they are fairly new. Maybe I will fall in love with this trend eventually, but not right now. Now I just need to tackle all this denim and trousers. I don't reach for these. Most likely I'll get rid of most of this, but I do need to take the time to try them on again and see if they fit me right. Maybe I just forgot about them being shoved back in the corner of the closet here, but I will try these on. Maybe not today because it is getting kind of late. Quick interruption of my cleaning frenzy to show you some things I picked up off of Amazon that I ran out and needed of. These are all things I'm trying for the first time. CeraVe Hydrating Toner, normal to dry skin, hydrates and removes leftover residue. Then the hydrating facial cleanser. I've heard really good things about this one. I've not tried this yet. Also a CeraVe makeup removing cleanser balm. Thought I'd try this for the first time. And also, of course, I'm getting another hair mask. This one is a hydrating one. I have bought some bonding ones that I've been using, but this one is for hydrating. So I think I'm going to be alternating my Olaplex Kerastase K18 for the bonding, and then I'm going to be doing this one for a hydrating, and probably alternating weekly on each to help revive my hair. Here is my big steamer, and I have my dresser here. I just have things piled up on here. My jewelry needs some major reorganizing. I have some clothes here that need to be put back because I filmed a reel with them and I just kind of threw them here. I'm normally not this unorganized, and this is actually really embarrassing, but again, yeah, this is my reality and I need to get control of this.
I love it.
This closet here by my bedside is basically my capsule closet. This is what I reach for the most. This is a lot of my fall items, also some summery things in there too, but these are the things that I do reach for the most. But this is in major need of some organizing as well, because it was beautifully organized by style and color. Just over the last few weeks, I've just been throwing things back in here as I'm filming them and not taking the time to stay organized. This needs a major reorganization. I don't think I'll be getting rid of anything in here, but it just needs to be tidied up.
Turn it up on a higher level.
Armoire is done. I have organized by color and by category. So we have sleeveless tanks, sleeveless shirts, short sleeve tees, short sleeve knits, white button downs, going into colored button downs, knit category here, long sleeve knits, blazers and tweed jackets, bomber jackets, full length blazers here. The bottom, I did the same. I have all my tapered ankle length trousers together, my full length trousers together, skirts and jeans, all by color. Doesn't look like it, but they are sorted by color.
Pushing the past again, oh. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we
Picked up some ornaments at Home Goods. These are from Christian Soriano. Didn't know that he was making Christmas bulbs, but this is really cute ones covered in pearls. I have some snowflake ones here from Rachel Zoe, and more here from Rachel Zoe, a little bit of pink and gold glitter with a little silver accents. Really, really pretty. This year we decided to use the tree from our bakery here in the apartment instead of buying a new one. We were at Lowe's and then had an epiphany that we realized we can just use this tree. I have a very quiet December at the bakery, so I decided not to put the tree up there, and we figured, hey, let's put some good use to it here in the house instead. I love this color. It's called Buttercream. How fitting is that for the bakery? We picked this up on Wayfair a couple of years ago, and I really love it. I love this color. Such a nice light gold, whitish, ivory-ish color. It comes with the lights and the pine cones.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with